Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add an affiliate disclosure to your Substack article. So this is important because it is going to keep you transparent with your readers and also help you stay compliant with the legal guidelines. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to log in into your Substack account and you can either create a new post or open an existing one. So here, if you go to the content section and click on the option of posts, you can just take a look at the published posts that you have, or you can also create a new post as I said earlier. So for this video, I'm gonna be just opening my existing post. So if you have also opened your existing post, simply just come here, scroll down and click on the option of these three dots right next to it, then select edit. So once you are inside it, you need to go in the bottom of your screen. I would like to recommend you that to give the affiliate disclosure either in the bottom or on the top. So over here you can type something like this article contains affiliate link. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in order to get the affiliate disclosure. So once you are done with it, click on the option of update or publish, whichever method you have chosen. Then click on the option of update now again. And now if you open your article, you will see that you have successfully added the affiliate disclosure in your article. You can make it bold italic so that it stands out. Most of the time people make it in the italic form. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.